Bring all your wall panels into your work area. Then start to join all the corners of the walls together. If necessary, remove the screw from the top door channel so you can fit the corner bracket into place. Then fasten the bracket through the pilot holes into the top channels using the 10x16 self-drilling screws. Repeat the same steps for connecting the corner brackets to the bottom channels. Fasten 2 screws through the pilot holes in the door jamb to connect it to the door frame. Use the door shroud as a spacer template between both door jambs. Fasten to the base using 10x16mm screws. Make sure the door closes, then drill a hole through the middle door jamb and fasten with a rivet, and repeat on the end door jamb.